Hi grown-ups! Welcome back to Kidding Around. My name is Melanie Smith and this is your weekly update. This week your kids will be doing a Masterpiece Monday lesson, a Wanderlust Wednesday lesson, and a Fun Film Friday lesson. On Monday your kids will learn about the artist Mondrian and they will be able to make their very own work inspired by his. On Wednesday, your kids will be traveling to Turkey and they will get to make their very own Turkish lanterns that look even better in the dark. And on Friday, we'll be talking about the movie Anastasia, and your kids will get to make their very own model of St. Basil's Cathedral in Moscow, Russia, or at least a part of St. Basil's Cathedral. All of the supplies required for all of these activities are listed below this video, and they are also on the individual videos as well. Or if you're interested in a supply kit arriving at your door ready to go, please check out kiddingaround.club and find the supply kit for these Turkish lanterns. Thank you so much. Have a great week.